Good day and welcome back to the Family Cyber Clinic. See, this week we're going to give some insight into what to expect on the 23rd of May when we have our first live Q&A. 23rd of May at noon, you've received the email, you've seen the video. We are going to have a live Q&A where you have an opportunity to ask any question you want around internet security, internet safety for our families. So I'm going to give us a taster of what you can expect from those, or rather from that engagement on the 23rd. And so we have a question. A question it's on the lips of many, I would say. Should you pay a ransom to unlock your computer? And we've touched on this on some of the videos posted already on the platform. But if your device becomes infected with ransomware, you are encouraged not to pay the ransom. That might sound like ill advice, but that is the best practice. That's what researchers, cybersecurity researchers have recommended, that we should not pay. And the simple reason, and I shared this in the video, your computer will still be infected, possibly still be infected when or if you pay the ransom. Attackers may assume that you are gullible and they will ask you for more money, and still they may not remove the infection from your system completely. And then this one is more ethical than best practice, if you like. If you fund criminal groups or encourage terrorist behavior, you are not making the right choice, certainly for the future and those who may get entangled in these things later on. And if you want to have or consume some content that gives you an idea on how you can remove viruses, how you can identify that you have a virus, please flip through the playlist showing right now on the screen so that you'll be informed. But generally, it is not advised that you pay the ransom. Okay, I shared on one of the videos about a No More Ransom online resource developed by Europol, Dutch police, that advises exactly what the clinic is recommending, that we should not pay. And they give that advice, and I'll put the link in the description so you can have a sniff at what they offer. But when I shared it on the platform many moons ago, I mentioned that they have solutions on how to decrypt majority of the ransomware infection. So basically they're saying, don't pay, visit us. We may have a way or a solution for you before you part with your money. But ultimately the recommendation, the clinic's recommendation, is that you do not pay the ransom. It should ultimately be a last resort. Okay, I hope that gave you a taster of the sort of questions that we are expecting, sort of questions that we will provide answers for. Some of the answers we may point you, like we are now going to point you to some websites in the description that will give you even more information. But that's what I'm hoping that we will be doing on the 23rd. I am excited about this opportunity. Please tell your friends, tell your family. And again, if you've not subscribed to the platform, please do so, and then encourage your family members to do the very same. I would ask also that you tell your friends and family about the channel in general, not just the live Q&A, so that they can consume content that will keep them and their families safe. I'm so glad that we have this opportunity. Okay, good stuff. Again, we're going to be promoting the live Q&A on the 23rd of May till the actual event happens. So there's nothing new on the clinic news. It is just live Q&A. Prepare yourself, send in your questions, please, so that we'll have an engaging time. Okay? Good stuff. The PowerPoint this week: watch your step, use your head, make the most of every opportunity, for these are desperate times. I'm your host, Cyber Pastor Lawrence Edem. Until next week, be safe, God bless, and goodbye.